junkfoodtaster.com, and today we eat insect burgers. So apparently these are the insect patties. It's this mini, I don't know, it's mini but I don't care. It's called Bug Foundation and it says Germany's first insect burger patties. It doesn't say patties anywhere, but I call it patties. And it says it's made from buffalo worms. It's frozen food. And yeah, let's check it out. So you can't see anything. You can't see insects anymore. Or can ya? Anyways, they go into the pan. And here, it's price reduced. It says special price, $3.99. Alright, let's fry them. And then we put it, I make a real burger. Yeah, if you like anti-cooking, stay tuned. Okay, so here we are at the frying pan, and let's drop the little mini insect patties. Okay, nothing happens. I smell a little bit, they smell good. Yeah, I will eat one of them separately, and the others I will make burgers with. Good. So there we go. The frying process started. Yeah. I guess I turn this one around now. Yeah, it smells quite good. And let's turn the others around as well. And I hope it doesn't fall apart everything, but you never know. Alright, so while the burger patties are cooking, I'm also preparing the buns. This is called American Style Mega Burger Buns Sesame. And let's cut one of these. I always cut stuff. And I guess I will put at least one of them into the frying pan as well. Okay. Or maybe two. Okay, back in action. Let's check out. I think it's nearly done here. Let's make the first side, let's fry the first side a little bit more. This was kind of sticky. And, come on. And yeah, I created some space. Have I turned this one around? And I created space for this. I don't know whether you do this, but I also frying the buns a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much. Yeah, only on my channel. And the top as well. And yeah, we are ready to go for the taste test and for the burger. Good. Alright. Here we are, and whilst it's chilling off a little bit, I start to prepare the burger. And the burger needs, of course, sauce. I've chosen now a mango curry sauce from Heinz. And yeah, let's drop some. Not too much, of course. Here we go. And now the patties, and I'm putting the patties right into the sauce. Here we go. And a good burger also needs salad. And I've prepared this grand Pardaro salad. Literally the first thing in the supermarket. And as advantage, we also got some cheese. And I adding this as well. Here we can make another sauce, but I think this is a bad idea. And here's the salad. Let's do it this way. Let's drop some more sauce. So, and now let's drop the salad onto the sauce. My mouth is very much watering. And here we go, this is my burger. But before I taste my burger, I taste the patty standalone. Well, first of all, I cut it. It's insect burger, but my mouth is here. You have to believe me. This word means insect in German. Yeah. And I can show you the ingredients list here. Something buffalo worm and something called Alphiotus diaperinus, whatever's. Anyways, I cut it. I would never thought that the insect product will make my mouth watering. But anyways, here we go. Tastes like vegetable steak, or like vegetable. There's product for the pan where you fry some vegetable stuff. Does it taste? I think it tastes a little bit meaty. I don't know. I'm not sure whether it tastes like insects or worms. Now I want to eat my burger only on my channel. And first of all, we shoot the thumbnail. I like to improvise. Yeah, I improvised 5 years, so I don't think it's my style now. Here, this is the thumbnail. Let's put this a little bit, and let's have the insect burger. I should cut it. No, I don't cut it. Not my own burger. Well, no. So, this burger bun is suboptimal. It's bad. Also the sauce, the curry sauce, is sour. Actually, I wanted to buy burger sauce, but it was sold out. Okay. Yeah. So this was in a frying pan. Oh, it's hot. Let's put the cheese on it. The cheese should melt whilst I'm talking. Yeah, I need better burger buns. These are not good, or I learn how to use it. Also, what distracts me is the long best before date. It's April. How can a bakery product last so long? Yeah, I think the patties are cool. But it doesn't really taste like a meat product or what you expect from a patty. It's more like a fun thing. And it reminds, of course, of things like horse sausage Yeah, like horse sausages is complete opposite. So insect product. Is a sausage when it's an insect. Insect meat product is like ethically total okay, and horse meat product is bad. Yeah, smell them a little bit. Yeah, I need basically if I want to make more custom burgers. Of course, I would need better salad. I always complained about this kind of salad on a burger. Then I would need a better burger bun. I'm not sure how to get it. A better burger sauce. Do you want me to make more burgers? But I'm hungry now. I eat this regardless. Yeah. The curry sauce is good, but it's too sour. I think I had a similar burger before. Completely the same idea with tons of curry sauce. This must be sour because like the acid is like the natural preservative. Yeah. Okay. Here, look at this. This is burger bun. Yeah. I can lick the burger bun off my fingers. Anyways, actually could also have the salad. I don't like when salad is too crazy, but this one seems to be okay. Look at the math. It always starts clean and ends like this. And yeah, anyways, what is this? Let's check this out. Okay. This fork is useless. The sauce is pure acid. Okay, so that was my little roll. I hope you like it. Well, thanks for watching. See you soon.